how to trade stocks on Robinhood. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade stocks on Robinhood. So in order to trade stocks on Robinhood, first of all, you need to check your internet connection and then open up or log into your Robinhood account. Once you open up or log into your Robinhood account, that's going to direct you to the home page. And after that, you need to go ahead and select the profile icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. That's going to direct you to your profile page. Here, you need to scroll down a bit. Over here, you'll be able to find whether you want to go with the stocks, EFTs, options, or crypto. So select it accordingly, and with the help of a magnifying glass, you need to look for the asset that you wish to carry on with or that you wish to trade on. So I'm going to go with Tesla for now. Once you locate the following asset, it's going to take you to the detail page. Here you can go through all of these information and click the trade button located right at the bottom. Now just a reminder, in case if you don't have a verified account, then you'll not be able to continue. In order to trade on Robinhood, you must have a verified account. Along with that, make sure that you have enough funds. In my case, my account is not verified, as well as I don't happen to have any funds. So all I need to do is just tap the trade button. If your account is verified, it's going to take you to the other interface where you can either buy or sell the particular asset. So go through it all and then enter the exact amount, and once you've done entering the amount as well, then lastly it's going to take you to the confirmation page where you need to review the orders. If you're sure about it, then click the submit button, entering the passcode in order to confirm your order. So that's basically how you can trade stock on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.